Hello everyone, this is Peter. I just received my package today. It's on Prime, Amazon Prime. And let's see what it contains. When I opened the box, this is what I found. I found SER Series Mini PC, 5th generation. And what we're gonna see today is manufacturer, Beelink. And if you take a closer look, you will notice exactly what is in the contents. It's a SER specification, CPU, AMD Ryzen, 5th generation, 5500U. You got to get a 5500U processor, and that's the fastest with the DP connectors. The memory is 16 gigabits, and the storage space is 500 gigabits as optional. Network is the Wi-Fi 6 and local area network 1000 megabytes. The inputs is a 19 volts, 3 amps, and that's all the voltage it would take. Now let's open the box and see what we find here. When I open the box, here's the box. Open this box. This is what it looks like. And now open this other box. These are the content of the box. Here's the computer here. The computer is written on here. Take a look at it. The computer has its model number is SER, input 19V, and the 3 amps. So the model number is SER. And this is made in China. Thank you for your choice. During the system boot process, if you cannot log into your personal account, please turn off Wi-Fi and local area network. Select skip option and then log into your personal account in the system. Please peel off this film before using. All right, let's go ahead and take the film out and see what it looks like after the film is taken out, so that the air can go in to the system. Now let's check it out. This film is a little bit tricky. All right, I got mine out. Now take a look at the actual body. It's a very small computer called Mini Computer. The manufacturer again is Beelink, AMD 5500U, Ryzen 5000 series, 5th generation, graphics card, AMD Radeon. That is a very powerful computer. And if you take a look at the front, here is the power on, and here is your headphone, and here is your USB. The blue one, they got 2 blue USB. That's a 3.0 USB connector. And they have that same mini plug that you plug in your mini phone charger. And it has the LAN, local area network connection here. You have actually another 3.0 connector for USB, a regular 2.0. I only have 2.0. And the DP connection, you can connect another monitor cable, and HDMI is for you to connect your own monitor, and the power goes in this location. All right, let's see how we can plug this up and see what else comes in the box. Here is the manual. The first thing I see here is a manual for the SER. Get closer. English, ENG. You got other languages and you got user's manual, basic operation, after service. Again, the manufacturer is Beelink, China. I just opened the content. It's an English user manual. And the first thing I see here is basic operation. It has the connections from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So those are the different connection and their labels. It has the button and the port, 1 USB port, 2 Type-C port, 3 MIC microphone jack, and the power button. And then the next one is number 5, local area port. Number 6, the DP port for another monitor connection. And number 7, the HDMI port for your regular monitor. And then number 8, the DC in port. That is your power cable. All right, now the next one is the panel they call the wall mounted bracket. That is how you connect the mini PC to the back of your monitor. So that way you have a permanent location of the mini computer on the back of your monitor. Here is the mini PC with the cable and with the connector. We will take a look at that bracket again. Now here's how you connect it to the back of your monitor. Fixed bracket on the back of display with screws. All right, now basically that is the manual. The manual goes on to tell you how you can add a second hard drive. And here comes the following operation should be started with the power off. You can add more RAM. Right now I say it comes with a 16 megabyte of RAM. DDR memory installation if you want to add more RAM. Here is how the inside of the motherboard looks like, where we are going to open the inside later in the next video to see what is inside. Right now we're just doing the review of what we've seen when we open the box. So in the manual it says SSD card installation. That means you can add another hard drive to your computer. Solid state drive with the tabs in the M2, slide SSD in and then secure the SD with the screws. All right, now here is the inside of the computer system. This is another way how to change the audio playback device on Windows. And here is how you connect the power. You connect the monitor and then the cable. I'll put that aside. The first thing I see is the system unit, number 1. System unit, number 2, I got the manual. The next thing is another small manual. What does that say? This is how you connect your hard drive. You need to buy this hard drive so you can see the part that you bought. You see the hard drive, and this cable is in the box. It comes with this cable, so you can connect your hard drive. Here's how the hard drive is connected. The L and the black lock and the serial ATA hard drive connection. And here is how the hard drive looks like inside. All right, now we see that manual. Go to the next item in the box. Here is the power cord. We're going to connect it right away so we see how it works. Take a look at the back and we connect it, boom. And we see something else. Here is the connection to the monitor. Again, as it comes, we plug it in so we will see how it works. The next thing we see is the bracket. Here comes the bracket. You can put that at the back as well so that you can connect it to your, okay, see this one goes like this. So you could put the, it also has, yes, you connect it like this so you can put it at the back of your monitor. It comes with this, yeah, it comes with this. All right, see this right here? It comes with this screws. You open the screws. All right, put the screws in there. Just put one for a test to see how it looks like. All right, we'll put that later. That goes to the back of your monitor. The next thing is your USB connection. Actually, you have two. You have two HDMI. We already used one. The next one, you also have this. This is your power cord. We want to connect this and see how it works. Basically, that's everything in the box. Connect this to the back of your computer. And let's see how that goes. Now we have a monitor. We're gonna connect the keyboard. Connect the keyboard and make sure it works. It also, you gotta buy, this is optional. It does not come with the mouse. It did not come with the keyboard. You gotta buy your own keyboard if you do not have a keyboard already. All right, now here is the mouse. We plug the mouse here. And now we want to take this to the monitor and see how it looks. All right, here's the back of the monitor. You can see how we connect that straight up. Everything is plugged up. You want to take a look at this. When the mouse moves, okay, before we forget, here is the bracket. The bracket goes to the back. Once you connect it, the bracket goes here. And now you'll be able to connect your computer like that. Mount it to the back of your monitor. So you have a permanent home for your mini computer at the back. All right, now let's turn around. Let's turn around and see what comes up. All right, now here is the power button. We press this. And see that? The light comes up. It lights up and you see the bullseye. And now it's loading small. Take a look at this. All right, here comes just a moment. Here comes just a moment. We got everything connected. Let's see what happened. Yeah, before I forgot, here is the cable for your hard drive. Additional hard drive you need to add called SER ATA hard drive. All right, it's booting. It takes a while to boot to see how it looks. So far, so good. It's booting up. Let's see. Now it's a window logo that shows up first. So I'm lucky mine has a window in there. Take a look at this. Now it's in English. If you say yes, you can go on and look at the software. But today we're just looking at the hardware part and everything that comes with it. Thank you, and we hope to see you again. If you are interested, take a look at the description. You will find the link to where you get this hard drive from. I mean this mini PC from Amazon. Click on that link and it will take you to, they have it on sale right this moment. I hope you will not miss the sale. So at the bottom of my description, I will display all the parts you can get along with it, the monitor, the mini PC. The reason I prefer this mini PC, it has everything inside that you can open and learn how to build your own computer. In the modern time, computers getting so small and small every day. So it's a good idea to learn how to open a small computer and work it. All right, that's it for this session. We'll talk more in the next session. Bye-bye.